Valerie. And here's my water is boiling, so let's get this show on.
Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you're making me feel this way. It's kinda like, whoa,
Here we go. Grab that look. Catch him. Oh, he gonna let his man go.
I'm scared.
Oh, he ain't gonna let his man go. Watch his arm.
Jimmy.
He ain't gonna let his man go.
Shut up, Chester. This guy's about to get out.
He with his boys. Oh.
nothing like when we lock eyes. I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you're making me feel this way. And it's kinda like, oh, you make me feel and believe me.
The butter or something like that.
Butter.
Shit ain't no damn butter.
That butter right there. You know who calls it the butter? Valerie. She's from Jacksonville. That's my.
You think that girl never lived in New York? About the goddamn butter.
When you put the lemon on it. Video of how to eat some crabs. In case people don't know how to, I'm about to show you right now. But you gotta get some of this lemon. You gotta put that lemon on there.
See a motherfucker fuck with some.
What's
crab
the
leg.
bad part? The bad part is the dead man.
I know
So-
many motherfuckers ain't fucking for a list.
Here we go. Yeah, a lot of people are. Oh, this is the green part that I was talking about, but I already just got rid of that. You guys don't have to eat this, you know. This is just like you have to
The
have
way
a
this shit is made from the inside. Never have I broken it like this. I've had crabs before, like in my seafood soup, and I think they're these little small ones.
Oh no, you had soft shell crabs.
Really?
Mhm.
These are
I'm
blue.
starting to soon. Mhm. So
You know.
his name is Jim.
Well, I gotta be Jimmy. I like Jimmy.
We're calling him Jimmy. So right here, this is the main part here. You're gonna pull this little flap up. You see this little flap?
You don't wanna fucking do that. That looks bad business. Then you got this on the other side, like
That's a fact.
none of that. We want.
So you take
He
that
tastes so good
off,
though. Where he can taste good.
right?
But when you get to
Once
the
you get
inside,
that part off, don't name it. Okay, I won't name it. Then, oh yeah, let me take my legs off. I forgot. Those are my favorite little parts to like just snack on, you know.
Yeah, that's what we need. Sauce.
Snack on, you know. I've been looking for the crabs all day, so I'm excited. Then right here, you see the next part, you just break the middle. I just break this soft part right here. And once I break that right there, this gives me an area where I can just pull this up. Right? Ah! Wait, no. It's this part right here. This other end part. Come on. This is a hard one. Wait, hold on. Okay. Now, there you go. You see? Now you see all the meat there? Now. There. Ow! Gotta be careful not to stick yourself. Okay, now you see all of this yellow part right here.
I got it in that crab leg.
Ah! Ah! This is not how you break a crab, guys. for this is not the way I did it the first time. And there you go. Now we have some. Let me do it like.
I got the whole ass off the last time.
I don't even know how to do it
I'll even
right.
try it. And
It's
this
not
time-
focusing. My ugly nails is
This
focusing.
time it's,
Was easy this time?
I guess so.
Okay, come on. Okay, it ain't
My ass.
working. For some reason, I can't get the crab to show you. But now you have your crab, and then you just take this lemon and you just give
What
it.
you was doing? Now, after you break off the ass,
Okay, I have to show him again how to do crabs because he'll know how to.
This is hard.
I'm
though.
so glad
this ain't
that
no easy.
Yeah.
you guys watch. Now you know how to open up a crab.
You
I'll
fuck with
never-
I'm
the
gonna eat
crab leg?
another one, but
You mess with the crab leg?
yes, you eat the crab leg. Bite it. I gotta show this man how to make.
You know it's tough.
You gotta have a beard to wash this all down. And I don't care that it's a Corona. That's ridiculous. Okay, until next time. So I finally got my crabs. Here we go. I'm gonna show you guys how I eat them. This is how you eat a blue crab, okay? So I just take the legs off because I'm gonna suck them up later. And then right here, what you're gonna do, you see this little tip right here? You're gonna pick that baby up like this. You see it like that? And once you pick it up, you see this all over there. So then you take that up right there. So then you take that part right there, and once it's go right there, you just open this part right here. And then there, you're gonna see your dead man, and you see this yellow thing. Some people eat it, but I don't want that. They call it, down south, I know they call it like the cream. Now this is the dead man right here. You're not supposed to eat these things. You get rid of that. So let's just take this out. Bam. And once you take that out, then that's where we're gonna see all of our meat.
What? Wait a minute.
So you take this off here.
Neck right here.
Take
Pull out
this
the
off
back.
here.
I took off his
You see I
legs
got
already.
all of this out. Got all of that out. And now you guys see? Here, ready for the meat? You ready?
I did some whole other shit. I
Oh.
think I broke the nigga's leg.
There you go. And this little stuff, it's not like, it's not bad or anything. Some people eat it, they call it the butter. But I just get rid of it. So if it's on your hand while you're eating, it's okay. Look, there you go. Look at that. Ta-da. Gotta enjoy the meat.
What? I don't know how the hell I opened my shit up.
Mm-hmm.
I think I broke his back.
Never know.
That's how you do it, baby. Until
Never
next
was
time.
Did I eat the shit like this?